Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are making a delicious baked trout. So here we have 2 trouts that are filleted. We're going to add some Cajun seasoning salt to it. Pepper, so I like using a cast iron skillet. I've already drizzled a little bit of peanut oil in the bottom of the pan. So now we're just going to take the trout and place it in the pan. With a few sliced lemons. So now we're ready to put it in the oven. My husband likes his trout medium well. I like mine well done. So I would take his out and pop mine back in for another 5 minutes.